Good morning and welcome to Going to Work with Gena, which is an infomercial for STEM students. I'm Dr. Gena Henderson. This morning, STEM students, I'm here at the doctor's office this morning. Noticed that there was a sound in the office. Everybody could hear the sound except me. So I've come here to the doctor this morning to find out that I do have some type of blockage over here on my right ear. But I wanted to go ahead and talk with you this morning, STEM students, about the global emergence of STEM and how it's going to affect the classroom in the years of 2026. So I know one of the things that I always try to give my students when they come on internships is that lab experience. I do have a lab, and I try to make sure that those students can actually get into that lab, and so they can understand the 3D printing and all of the different aspects of what's going in there to make sure that we can do a lot of interaction with spacecraft before we actually have the spacecraft on center. So that notion of a fab lab or a computer place with 3D printers and all of that is going to move into the classroom. That's the typical classroom that you would see in the year of 2026. So it's going to become more emergent upon technology. Students are going to be working hands-on. No longer will we have the robotics and coding classes that we see only extended to a few in a afternoon session or a Saturday session or whatever, but it's going to be open to everybody because that's how well we need for everyone to be engaged in STEM. Okay, so I want to thank you for going to work with Gena this morning. I look to being a part of that 2026 Fab Lab experience as I also try to develop my own curriculum. Okay, so I want to thank you for going to work with Gena this morning. If there are any infomercials that you've missed, please don't hesitate to go to YouTube, Going to Work with Gena. Have a great day. I'm off to work though.